Well, I certainly remember uh, the overall environment in which we grew up. It was a middle class environment, and one of the things that I uh, remember, we lived in a part, that neighborhood of Fleetwood, which is a sort of suburb of Mount Vernon, and bordered on a town in Bronxville. And that I remember also as being in the 30s, early 40s, that no Jews lived there, although they were Jewish uh, merchants. But they did make, I was told, exceptions for some people's, not George Gershwin, but people like Jerome Kern or people of that uh, standing. Also, up, up the block in Bronxville in the late 30s were homes that, uh, because of nature, people had moved out of some of these larger houses. And one of my memories as a child, well, one were the anti-Semitic incidents. The other was with some of my friends breaking into some of these houses. There was one large, rather elaborate house that was, I guess at the time we broke in, still owned but not lived in, Sinclair Lewis, who was at that time married to Dorothy Thompson. So I remember that we were caught breaking in, but in terms of who we were, the police got our names, called our parents, but we were never arrested because of who we were. We were middle class children whose parents had some influence and sort of in that respect had a bit of immunity.